What the heck is all this water doing in this muffler? And up she goes. Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. So as you can see behind me is my 2022 GR86 and today we're going to be working on that car. I know it's been a little while since I've had any GR86 content on my channel because I have been doing stuff to this car. This 1973 Camaro, which looks just awesome. I can't wait to get this on the road, but today GR86. And I've been really looking forward to this. I finally have my parts. They finally came in. I have modified my car a little bit, but this is a big modification today. And it's one that you're going to want to do yourself, I think. And I think that you're going to be impressed with the results. Let's see. Okay, we safely got her up on the quick jacks. I love these. Every garage should have them, especially if you have a low roof like I do. Makes working on underneath the car much easier. Okay, so I've got it lifted up. For what reason? Because of this. I have a catback exhaust from Yonaka Motorsports. Now, catback exhaust is usually around $1,000. Catback exhaust for the GR86 from the bigger known name brands. And I decided on this because it's only $600, I believe, to get it to my door. And the Yonaka is a Japanese brand that's been around for a while. So this isn't really a cheap knockoff brand. This has been around for a while. Yeah, so I picked this brand and I think it's going to work out good. And it's cheap, it's true, but you know I'm Scottish. So you know I've got to do what I've got to do. I've got to have a deal. I can't pay full price. Don't you know, sir? Thank you for not judging me by my purchases. Okay, terrible Scottish accent, but yes, I cannot pay full price for anything. This has got to be a deal, so this is why I'm hoping that the results will be positive and that therefore you can take advantage and not pay $1,000 for a catback. Instead, pay something a lot less for high quality. You can still get it. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, you guys gotta see in here. First of all, packaged very nicely. Look at this, look what I got. I got a cap. That looks really nice. Yonaka Motorsports, cool. Comes with the gasket and a Yonaka Motorsports license plate frame. Nice. And what? A t-shirt? I have never seen this before. Not for this price point. Never seen this before. Look at that. Yonaka Motorsports t-shirt. Man, I'm already going to give it a thumbs up just for that. Fantastic. Okay, let's open up these packages and see what it actually looks like. As you can see, one single muffler, 2 outlets, and a resonator right here. So let's open these up and take a look. This is the resonator. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice TIG welds right there. That looks pretty darn good. What do you think? Okay, so there's the resonator, a very beefy connector right here. Next we have mid. Nice. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Again, beefy connectors on the end. Look at the finish on these. Look at the weld. That is so nice. Very neat indeed.
Let's take a closer look.
Ooh, as Jay Leno would say. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Looks to me like, what, 4-inch tip? Nice. 4-inch tip. Everything's welded really good. You've got the 4 hangers. Oh, nice. Look at this. Look at the finish. It's like a mirror. Wow. Look at the TIG welds. Nice. Wow. This, see, this shows extra attention to detail. That's got a brace, a vibration brace, to help keep the weld from cracking in the future. Now let's take a look at the underside. Yonaka Motorsports. Yonaka Motorsports. And they are involved in motorsports. It's not just a title, they actually are. This company's been around for quite a long time. And they've done things beyond exhaust. They've also done suspension and everything else, but right now I'm just interested in their exhaust. Look at that. Beautiful. This is a work of art. And guys, remember, this is $600. This is $600. Okay, I can't wait to get this on. But before I do, let's hear, just so we know, we're gonna listen to the stock exhaust first. Then we're gonna put the new one on, which hopefully won't take very long. Come on, I'm trying to make a video here. Check this out, the hat actually fits me. Okay, so let's first hear what the stock exhaust sounds like. Startup, idle, and then revs. I don't think you're going to hear much. All right, everybody, I got you on the GoPro. Let's go underneath the car and see what we have to do to install this muffler. You can see the stock muffler has its connector right here. There you go, looks like 12mm bolts, rubber biscuits, rubber biscuit, rubber biscuit, and rubber biscuit. Okay. We're also going to see if this stock system is heavier than the new system or not. Then you have fairly small pipe, actually. I think the new pipe is bigger. You got a rubber biscuit here, resonator here. Look how clean everything is. Wow. And then our main connector here. We're going to be reusing this gasket right here, I'm pretty sure. As expected, a 14, sir. Aye, sir. A 14. 14, you say. I do say. I do. Okay. See? That's loose. That's loose. And that's loose. A little bit of water inside. No problem. That's a 12. Okay. 14 and 12. Grab my 12. See, will this fit over that? Yes, it will. Ah, yes. Yes. Everything is going very nicely. It's nothing like working on a new car. Nothing like it, actually. Okay, we're going to reuse these spring bolt type things. So we'll just keep them together and put it off to the side here. Okay. See, as you can see, that's loose. Hey, there's Subaru on my Toyota. What the heck? Okay, she's off. Wow. Let's just put this off to the side. Now the thing is, we got one rubber biscuit here. Can we get it off by hand? That's the question I have. Okay, I got it off, I got it off. And also like this. Okay, okay. Let's try this one. Little crowbar, go a long, long way. Okay, this one's almost off. Like so, like so. Oh. There we go. All right, so I got all the components out, so let's do a comparison. There's the new Yonaka pipe, and it's a little bit lighter than this one, but not by much. It just looks way better. But here's the big difference. There's the old muffler, and here's our new Yonaka Motorsports muffler. And I can tell you right now, this one's lighter than that one. Now, I can't tell you how much lighter, so because this is not a scientific channel, this is not engineering explained, but it's lighter. One thing I noticed, there's water in this muffler. Can you hear that? There's water. How come there's water? There's no way for the water to drain out. So this could easily rust out, seems to me. All right, so it's time to get this muffler in the car, which should not take hardly any time at all. It took me about 15 minutes to get off the old components, so this should be very fast. But before I do that, do you want to know what a GR86 sounds like without any muffler? I know I do. Okay, that's really loud and obnoxious. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get the new muffler on, and that should be pretty quickly done. Pretty quickly done. Oh, don't want to do that. Okay, sorry. There, that's better. That's better. Got you on, got you on. One more to go. Mufflers on. Just like that. I think it goes like that. Yeah, okay. Wow. Okay. We have a high quality gasket here. We got a bolt. Put that over. We have a high quality nut to go on it. I'm not going to tighten these up until I finish fitting the rest of the exhaust. Gotta leave a little adjustment room in there. Okay, up we go. Up we go. That's gonna go right there, and then right here. Yes, sir. High quality gasket, just like so. Then we'll loosely put in the bolts. Loosely put in the bolts. Now we're going to reuse our original spring nuts right here. And I believe it's going to go in. Now, keep in mind that there's a donut gasket right there. Can you see that? That's the factory gasket, and that's going to be reused with this exhaust. It's in great shape, so there's no reason not to. So we just get this started, and then we get this guy started. Okay, over here, get this guy started. That should be tight, all the tightness. It's all the tightness. All right, this guy's done. You don't have to torque these bolts too much, like about 24, 28 foot-pounds. That's all you gotta do. Now, let's do the next set, which is these guys here. There you go. Just, you know, tight. The spring bolts. These don't have to be tight at all. Remember, the spring is gonna do all the work here. And you got a big donut gasket in there, so do not put these too tight. 13 foot-pounds, that's it. Come on, come on. And that's 13 foot-pounds right there. I can feel it. Okay, these are tight, all done, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Okay, tight. Everything's fitting perfectly. It was so easy. Look at those welds. Oh, it's so shiny. It's so shiny. I like it. I like shiny things. Simple man requires with simple needs. I'm a simple man with simple needs. Just give me some shine. Got a little scrape right there. That's my fault. That's my fault. And then we go through here. Got the donut in. Plenty of clearance here. And bolted on to the muffler, and then all the rubber biscuits are on. Wow, look how shiny that is. I'm gonna polish this up. Nice welds everywhere. All right, the job is done. Get rid of these old parts because I have a new exhaust, a new Yonaka exhaust, and these tips fit in the opening perfectly. By the way, these are 4.5 inch diameter tips. I said 4 inch before, didn't want to undersell it. 4.5 inch. And they fit perfectly in, perfectly centered. The engineering on this is fantastic. It just looks so darned good. Man, do you see that? Wow. All right, so that took me 15 minutes to put on. So don't pay anyone to put on an exhaust system. You can do it yourself. So now, does everybody want to hear what this sounds like? I know I do. All right, the moment of truth. I'm going to start up the car, I'm going to idle, and then I'm going to rev it, and you're going to hear what this sounds like. I'm really hoping it's going to sound good. I'm hoping. All right, there you go, guys. One of the easiest installs I've ever done in my life. 15 minutes to take off the old exhaust, 15 minutes to put on the new exhaust, and it sounds fantastic. Not too loud. Remember, I'm not looking for a loud exhaust. I want something refined, and this is definitely it. Of course, I'm going to give my final judgment when I get to take the car for a ride, and I'll do a couple of flybys to let you hear it, but I think it's going to sound great. Anyway, what a great deal. So Yonaka exhaust. I'll put a link below where you can get this exhaust at a really good price. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Because if you like and subscribe, I'll be able to put more parts on my car.